Hey guys, Garth Ballion here, cleaning this tent. Talk about the albedo effect today. It was nice and sunny, which is why I'm taking advantage of the warm weather here in October. Because when this gets cold, it's really hard to work with, this fabric, this vinyl. And yeah, talk about the albedo effect. The light's been reflecting in my face whilst I've been cleaning this tent. And yeah, but speaking of the cold, because we rolled this tent up when it was snowing outside, so the exterior of it just got completely gross, and essentially that's why I'm cleaning it. For those who don't know, all it takes is some magic eraser and my microfiber cloths. I got some snow blindness too because of it's almost like I'm skiing, but not. But I want to quickly show you something. So when it's cold and you're folding these tents up, you get these little marks, you see? And it's basically the tent, because it's so stiff that at the apex of that fold, it essentially cracks. And it's kind of just the outer layer, but I mean, it's essentially damaging that tent. It's not like the water is leaking through that crack or anything like that, but the cold is really bad for these tents. But I mean, what are you gonna do? You gotta take the work when it comes, even though it's -5, -10, and working with these tents becomes really difficult. I might increase the price. Furthermore, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put this on sale. I bought this specific one used, pre-owned, so I'm gonna put it on sale for the same price essentially. That way I'm not really losing anything other than maybe some time and the risk of getting the next tent in worse condition if I decide to buy another pre-owned one. Although I might just buy a new one so it's nice and bright, nice and fresh, and customers appreciate a nice brand new tent. They might not know it, but it looks much better than, say, a little bit of an older tent, which is kind of not as white anymore, right? So I might just put it on sale. They don't really depreciate that much. So I did sell another 20 by 20 for more than I bought it for. So I'm gonna kind of try to do that, do the same thing with this one. And so that come spring, come summertime, I have refreshed inventory. But yeah, just cleaning it. Again, this is actually going up tomorrow, and I just wanted for it not to be completely gross. It was just rolled up when it was snowing outside, so even though it was clean before we put it up that day, it's dirty again because of the snow, and no matter what you can do, it's gonna get dirty, so. Yeah, the sun's shining crazy today, which is nice. And sorry, hopefully you saw my face with that glaring rays of sunlight. Maybe I should have tilted the phone here a bit, but sub to the channel if you haven't already. We'll be having more footage. I'm gonna film tomorrow's tent setup. Take it easy, get some business done. Let's make some money. We'll see you later.